Revamp your elevator speech for maximum influence. Most professionals waste the first 30 seconds on fluff. However, your elevator speech should feel like that handshake and not a sales pitch. Generic introductions, my friends, they weaken that impact and it leaves people unmemorable in networking, interviews, as well as in meetings. So what do you do instead? First, you start with a value. What problem do you solve? Because that grabs attention. Second, add a unique detail. It makes you memorable. Example, I help brands grow by turning analytics into storytelling. 3, practice brevity. Keep it under 60 seconds. Clarity beats complexity. 4, end with an invitation. I'd love to know more and I would love to work with you. For a deeper dive into the personal branding and presence, check out our Professional Image Mastery playlist only on YouTube. Subscribe today and refine the way you present yourself in the corporate landscape. Your elevator speech should start with that value, highlight your uniqueness and remain concise, as well as end with curiosity. Your elevator speech, my friends, isn't about you. It is about making others want to know you better.